Hi, Chloe.
Oh, what's the matter with you?
I'm not feeling so good.
Are you okay?
I don't know what's going on with me.
What the heck? What? Oh, you're back to normal.
Yeah, I feel pretty good.